Since ancient times, human beings, from the Eastern civilization of Chinese medicine to Western modern medicine, the medical field has been committed to the pursuit of longevity, reverse aging research and exploration, until 1904 Gr. Arthur Harden found Gnakg. Since, dozens of Nobel Prize winners one after another in the field of anti-aging, reverse aging major breakthroughs in the field of their research gene sequences, the development of anti-aging drugs, synthesis of molecular structure, transplantation, regenerative medicine and other ways to help people prolong life, anti-aging, enhance the quality of life, to solve a series of diseases brought about by aging and lethal problems. In this series of anti-aging research results, it is particularly worth mentioning that NMN in the cell can be partially converted to Gnakg+. Gnakg+ can activate mitochondrial ATP, energy metabolism, DNA repair, rejuvenation of the cell, etc. The U.S. Harvard Drive, David Sinclair, a well-known anti-aging doctor in Harvard Medical Center, confirmed through animal experiments that NMN can improve the upgrading condition of mice, regulate a number of physiological functions, and prolong life, and therefore was selected by the 2014 U.S. Time magazine as one of the world's 100 most influential people. Achievements in the past few years. NMN in the field of anti-aging achievement of nearly $40 billion U.S. dollars in sales, in the field of single product within the same period of time, without rivals. 2020 Harvard Drive, Zhang Hongbin Professor, as the world's most authoritative mTOR life extension mechanism of the main developers and promoters, has presided over a number of national key projects, was awarded the title of Distinguished Professor by the CMB. 2020 Zhang Hongbin Professor in the world's authoritative medical journals, Nature, released a Kg to make rats to stop aging, extend life of the animal experimental research results, and in the period of time during this period, there are many famous medical doctors published AKG-related experimental data, and even Drive, David Sinclair, who has become the father of NMN, has also given a high appraisal of this, and highly esteemed AKG's contribution to the field of life extension. And this breakthrough achievement has also opened a new chapter of human longevity for the medical profession. AKG has broken the ceiling of NMN's life extension technology in the past, and has achieved breakthrough results in human life extension clinical trials. According to the report of AKG Phase I human clinical trials, AKG is an extremely safe substance for human beings, with excellent aging reversal effects. Why will AKG break the ceiling of NMN? Because AKG is different from the indirect effect of NMN. AKG can directly activate the mitochondria, direct activation of sirtuins 1,7 longevity genes, which makes AKG reverse aging effect is much higher than NMN. AKG's mouse test released its confirmed efficacy is to the medical community, has never reached the ceiling data. AKG's proven efficacy has never reached the ceiling data in the medical field. It crushes all the life-extending substances on the market, such as NMN, PQQ, Na, NR, and so on. Extend human life by 8.5 years on average. Maximum life extension is 34 years. Gnakg is a complex life extension technology formula developed by the scientific research team of DRGV's Life Science Research Laboratory. DRGV in 2020 began to fully invest in and develop the field of medical life science and technology, and the establishment of Life Science and Technology Research Laboratory, specializing in the field of life science and technology research of life science and technology explosives, composite formula. Gnakg obtained the United States of America 6 major certifications. 1. FDA certification. The main responsibility is to protect public health and ensure the safety of food, drugs, cosmetics, medical devices, biological agents and tobacco products. 2. CGMP certification, in the United States, Europe, Japan and other countries to implement CGMP, that is, Dynamic Pharmaceutical Production Management Specification, is the international standard for drug production management. 3. Non-GMO certification, non-genetically modified organisms. Non-GMO is defined as conventional, natural plants, animals, and microorganisms that have not been genetically engineered. This definition is based on the latest GMO regulations of the European Union. 4. Lab-tested laboratory certification. 5. Hello certification, certification, halal certification, is defined as conforming to Muslim living habits. The main purpose is to ensure that the product does not contain any prohibited ingredients, such as pork, alcohol, etc. 6. Made in the USA, American Factory Production Certification. Gnakg, complexity formula in the complex ingredients, interact with each other more life-extending anti-aging age reversal effect. Gnakg, multi-level anti-aging synergistic effect is obvious. Gnakg, complex formula integrated vitamin A. Gnakg, terostilbena rosewood estragol, fistin leukocyne fistin and galactamines, vitamins and minerals and other ingredients, for anti-aging, energy enhancement, immune support and intestinal health to provide the all-around protection by activating mitochondria and removing senescent cells. The formula helps maintain cellular vitality and effectively boosts immune system function. When humans take Gnakg, the slow-release film coating ensures that the active ingredients enter the digestive system, are not destroyed by stomach acid and choline, and are absorbed in the intestinal tract, and then transported through the bloodstream into the cells of each organ, and directly converted into NAD+, Gnakg, and rapid and direct activation of all the longevity genes of sirtuins 1-7, which is more intuitively manifested by the improvement of the body's top 10 efficacies. First, repair DNA, maintain genetic stability, activate mitochondria, antioxidant, neutralize free radicals, enhance immunity and regulate cell activity, promote normal body metabolism. 6. Protect and strengthen the function of nerve cells. 7. Promote protein synthesis, maintain the skin, system organs of young state. 8. Inhibit tumor growth. 9. Improve sports endurance. 10. Repair the human body environment, inducing an increase in the concentration of NAD+. Cell self-healing to restore youthful vigor. Summarize. Gnakg, life science and technology achievements. Normally these 10 effects only appear in the young state of 20 years old and above, meaning that Gnakg can reverse aging, so that human beings can reverse aging and extend life. Gnakg opens up the body's 7 longevity gene proteins, induces an increase in the concentration of NAD+, repairs the mitochondria, prompts telomere lengthening, repairs the after effects of the new crown, regulates and repairs chronic diseases, eliminates the traces of cellular aging from the inside out, and enables the body to return to its youthful state. Against the age of the body, Gnakg makes life better.